The incredible journey of a butterfly. The incredible journey of a butterfly begins when a tiny egg is carefully placed on a green leaf by its mother. Inside this small egg, a new life grows slowly and waits for the right moment to come out. When the egg finally opens, a little caterpillar appears and immediately starts eating fresh leaves to grow strong. The caterpillar must eat a lot because it needs enough energy for the next big stage of its life. As it keeps growing, it changes its skin several times to become bigger and stronger. This first part of the journey shows how even the smallest beginnings can lead to something amazing. After the caterpillar becomes big and ready, it creates a safe shell around itself called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, an incredible transformation happens that people cannot see from the outside. The caterpillar's body changes shape completely and slowly becomes a beautiful butterfly. This mysterious process is called metamorphosis, and it is one of the most amazing changes in nature. The butterfly forms its wings, its new body, and all the parts it needs to survive in the world. This stage teaches us that important growth often happens quietly and patiently. When the butterfly is fully formed, it breaks the chrysalis and comes out with soft and folded wings. It must wait for its wings to dry before it can fly for the first time in its new life. Once ready, the butterfly opens its colorful wings and begins to explore the world around it. It flies from flower to flower, drinking nectar and helping plants grow by spreading pollen. Butterflies play a very important role in nature because they help many plants and trees continue to grow. This part of the journey shows the beauty and purpose in every small creature. As the butterfly lives its short but meaningful life, it continues the cycle by laying eggs on fresh leaves for the next generation. Its journey reminds us that every life has stages that bring new challenges and new beauty. The butterfly shows us that change can be difficult, but can also create something wonderful in the end. Many people admire butterflies because they represent hope, transformation, and new beginnings. Their journey teaches us to be patient with our own growth and to trust the process of life. The incredible journey of a butterfly is a powerful lesson about nature, change, and the beauty of becoming something new. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.